All right, so it's a game of finish the lyric with the aid of a prop. So we have some props here on the table. We're going to listen to some song lyrics and choose the prop on the table that best relates to the lyric that completes the song line. When the sister will produce, I don't have nothing to do. We will take turns, and if I can't figure it out in 30 seconds, then Dahlia can try, and so on and so forth.
Bring
all right,
it on.
can you know, you don't know me is the greatest man in the world, and I know every single thing. So the first one going to be this. Lick it, I can tell you. Music.
Chef lover, I mean she want to see how me cute.
A big man she want, she don't want no little youth.
I mean she want to call me brown and slim.
A muscle man she want, that's why me start to what?
Yeah.
Muscle man she wants, so me start to watch him. Me I go watch him long time. Wonder if she still want me. I go watch him. You want me?
Yeah.
You don't want me there?
Mercy said no.
Next one. One love Shanda, that's why she.
You start make money, so you swear, so you have to never buy me a TV or a whatnot. And you furnish the house with your girl names, what you buy her. Shoes and stocking and jeans and rock you buy her. Stick a mutton, shit up, yam, chicken back. The liberty you take, you do realize that you better give me the key or a wedge.
Lock.
You know, I know why. For some reason, I couldn't hear the lyrics properly a while ago. She right?
Give me Mickey or go and change me.
Oh, I never hear the lyrics, man.
Lock.
I went telling you why I never hear the lyrics, but go on. I have a little delay thing, so I try to listen here and I listen here at the same time straight at home. So, I might have to undelay that.
What a martial art tonight. I go on a yacht tonight. When me I go tell me wife when I get home. El Cielo, no mash up the one with in a head. El Cielo, I'm money to fix it and me can't buy.
I'm money to fix it and you know?
Yeah. Yeah.
Me don't know.
Yeah.
Bread?
Yes. Watch Marvin and arrow them in.
No, nobody don't tell me nothing. Nobody don't tell
No,
me
you
nothing.
never see him, but if I broke him neck around the camera,
Yeah.
for sure,
So me right, me say bread. No, me say bread, but me right. That's you make me not hear proper. And me get it in about 5 seconds. You know, so me just feel me.
Him a whisper tell them, never
No.
look over there. No, you never see him.
I never see him.
You never see him. Stay.
I'm a manager, the man I help me. This thing here.
Sheffield now help me one time. Sure.
Sheffield does this.
Like him a soldier.
I must dream, the dream. Saying I read me house, we go cook and clean. When me take a stop, she a read.
She a read magazine.
So I'm upset because I didn't know that I should get it before. It was your time though.
Yes, sir.
Oh, it was your time. So it's all right, 2 hours. Come again.
And that at me no. When some boy like one of my girl boy, no as a boy, this big job curl thing, I return from scare them and guess what? Look girl. Bad man no dress like girl. We no bore nose and we no bleach face and we no wear.
But I know my turn.
Yeah, my
You tell
turn.
me say you show me and my turn. I never turn.
Come, love.
No, okay, thank you very much.
Wow.
But you say you hold something like a burn, you can burn somebody.
No, I'm just doing it in a different way. Don't tell me how to do it.
Oh, yeah, oh, yes. Because
All right, next one.
Wait there. How about your Saram? My God, Lord have mercy. Boy, I can't take it no more. Me say, Bishop, inna the bus, inna the bus, them a kick up round post, yes. Inna the bus, inna the bus, them a fight and a fuss. Me hear one stop driver, left me.
You look like you're so sure of that.
oh, Mr. D, your arms smell bad. Hey, come on, in the what? I'm a can before. I mean, artist it up. No, the doctor they come down.
Stop
with the
now,
money
man.
back.
Is that money back?
Never, they know that one, man. Never wait till them say.
Shaving cream. Shaving cream.
I stepped in a big pile of
Shaving cream.
Let me shave this man already.
So nice and clean.
Young girls, wear your size. Cause if you don't take stitchy advice, girls, you know good again. Time for number one thing, number two, no miss last week. Saturday, me book up on a girl. Me tell them, you go take her around the
Take her around the world now. Hold on, this a part I
Stop
said.
there, so you never get it because no, you didn't know.
No.
You never even know it was a part of it, so where you went to pick it?
No, you can't ball out the answer, no, your turn. Take her around the... And the corned beef, you take up first.
No.
I
I tried to throw you off.
You take up the...
I was trying to throw you off, but you, wait, no. Yeah, but
No,
hold
give
on.
one more.
No, it draw for all. The only one leave is the corned beef.
I was inside the closet, minding I
And my own.
It was a complete stranger, causing these disturbances. And claim selling touching wife,
Hold on now.
which is a wicked and
Yeah, Kadeen, man, but Delia can't get that and she never even know the world was there.
be sure
Never win 5-4. We so
Pants to the right.
And the left
Right.
that. And the left that.
Shirt to the left and the right.